Right, so we're still running into a problem here. We need to basically extend these arms out. So we'll go and do that in Photoshop. Once again, right click, edit original. All right, so we're going to just kind of select the area that we want using our lasso tool. There we go. Generative fill. And let's first just try the regular generate. Over here, you're going to see different variations on the piece. All right, that works pretty good. We've got a little bit of that white background there. So let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks really nice. So we'll go with this, and we'll just delete that little bit there. We can do that by using our quick selection tool. There's our generative fill piece. You'll also notice that there's this little kind of star item here. That star basically means that it has been something that's created with AI. So I'm going to select that, delete. So the smart object is not directly editable. We can fix that either by just going straight in, or we can just use our, if we go over here to our masking, we can just mask that part out. All right, that looks good. Let's save, Command S, and let's do the same thing over here. Generative fill, generate, just because it's going to create a texture there. Once again, the generative fill is going to be showing up under properties if for any reason that disappears. All right, let's just move this out of the way. Looks pretty good. That looks a little bit better. I think that looks the best to me. We have a little bit of an issue right there. So once again, let's just go in, select with our selection item, delete. Oh, once again, can't delete. Go here, and then we'll just use our here to fill that up. All right. And then let's put everything back. Whoops. Right. Shoulder. Left. Shoulder. So this kind of use of AI to fill things in for you, I think, is really, really helpful. We don't want a red tie. Okay, and let's bring everything back to where it was before. All right. Oops, there we go. All right, and then we hit save. Let's go back, Command T or Command Tab. Then you can see here, now we've got our fill in and things are in place a little bit better. In the next section, we're going to put his name down here, and then we're going to work on the second section, which is our background for the card.